I bought this basil, and what I need is a pot to put it in. Welcome back to a new video of SP3D YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you the pot I have designed at freecad in order to put basil I have bought. The flower pot consists of two parts. The first is the outer piece that collects water after watering. As you can see, it resembles an ancient Greek column. This part is called saucer or tray, and it will be printed with white PLA. The second part is the one where the soil and the plant go. At the bottom of this part, there are small holes to allow water to drain into the saucer, the first part. Additionally, it has two handles, so it can be easily removed from the first part. This will be printed with blue PLA. Here, I have the assembled plant pot. Now I can plant the basil in it. I just planted the basil in the main container of the flower pot, and now I'm going to place it in the saucer, which is similar to an ancient Greek column. The joy I feel from creating this flower pot from scratch is like a vibrant firework bursting inside me. Designing every detail felt like building a small world full of inspiration and passion. It's an explosion of satisfaction that makes me smile, seeing my design come to life. Imagine the magic of bringing your ideas to life, creating something unique from scratch with your hands and mind. By designing 3D models, you open the door to a world where your imagination becomes reality through 3D printing. Every line, every curve, every design you create is a small victory, a burst of joy and creativity. Take the leap, give it a try, and let your inspiration bloom. The joy of creation is waiting for you. As far as I show you the designed pot in freecad for basil I have bought, I have to announce you that in case you want to download the STL files for the flower pot in order to 3D print it in your 3D printer, you can visit my account SP3D at makerworld.com. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button, subscribe to SP3D for more, share it with your friends, and drop a comment to let me know what you think. Your support keeps the SP3D vibe alive.